Hi, I'm Marjolein Turin, designer of Somnia Romantica. Here you can see some of my fashion work. A little experiment. The idea is to make a puppet out of materials that I also use for my collections. I have this very simple idea, almost like a baby toy, but I call it a cute Halloween ghostly style. Yeah. I fold the square diagonally, determine the mid and set a line to the mid side, and that's my radius for the rest of the circle. Cutting it out. Why am I doing that with ginormous scissors? I'm telling you, it will be cute. Almost cooked. To protect my ears, the searcher is making very loud noise. The sound is off, but you can imagine what this would sound like. I'm putting the whole hem to the searcher and also the place that goes around the neck. Then I carefully do the cat head to make sure it won't fray. I will first have to put eyes in it. Here I'm using first a smaller awl and then a bigger one to make the hole big enough for the eyes to fit through. So putting the eyes through the holes. Eyes. Here I'm sewing the head parts together, leaving the neck open. I'm not entirely unhappy. I've recently worked with this really soft suedine. Small parts of that are, I think, ideal for stuffing this one. Here I'm actually turning my trash can upside down. Look, here you have some. Your trash can is always a whole trip down memory lane. You can see all the pieces I made in the past weeks. Taupe and aubergine and red and burgundy. I'm stuffing the head. I think it's in need of some hugs. Then I will hem the body. This is the body. Very lovely lace. It's from the early 90s. I'm making very dense pleats with no space in between. Important in my humble opinion, but if you make a bodice for such a plushie, make sure you use a fabric that's nice from both the inside and the outside, because you can see the inside. Now I'm going to pleat the cut out version of this one on the other side. I made a video about this type of lace. Pleating again, very dense, happy little pleats. Lots of them. I'm going to hand sewing. I once in my life got a needle through my fingernail, and that was when I was trying to make a seam of a Barbie dress, a neck seam, with a sewing machine. Head. Thread. Okay. Embroidery scissors. The head is on the inside with the outside, and the skirt is outside with the outside inside. Yeah, that's clear. Ow! Don't change position when there's a needle on your lap. I'm using first stitch just to attach the head to the bodice, and then I'm making it more firm. And I'll be stuffing the head. I'll save one of the biggest pieces of fabric for the last. Then we can use it as a sort of lid for the stuffing. Looking good. I close it as much as possible, also using the lid piece of fabric. I feel a bit in the middle of making some 8 years old school project. Yes, it's a giant mug. Oh. Oh. And now I have this. Putting it around the neck, like this. Sorry. Little question. I'm soon going to record some more piano music, which brings me to an ongoing dilemma. Because I like sad and emotive music, which may not always be a good fit as background music. And it's like, yay, here's my cute lace dress and everybody died. Or doesn't it? To me it doesn't. Ah, hand puppet bed. A bit merrier music again, maybe. I'm going for wine red. And now back to my normal background music. The rose is the last part of this piece, and then this piece is done. Also, would you look at this? That's cute now. Hello, little one. Whoa. It's also very cute when you do this. It's like holding a bouquet. Already great friends. And double as tablecloth. Today I made this happy little puppet. Normally I make fashion designs, and the playlist of that you can see over here. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to place a comment. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.